welcome to the Mix Lovelies and Friends. And on the mix, we have Marcia. Now, Marcia is tackling the situation with Queenie and Dewey. Now, she's saying that Dewey and Queenie is back together, and it is very, she knew that they would have been back together. But if it was her, then she wouldn't have gone back with him. She's saying that because of the disrespect, with Dewey moving in with another female and all the other disrespect on social media, she wouldn't have felt comfortable in going back to him. But as you know, to each its own. So everybody is able to decide for themselves what they want to do. So Marcy is also saying that, that Queenie is, she's still going through a little phase because of the loss of her daughter. And she's saying that this could have been something, that make it, this could have been a problem. Why, she's back with Dewey. But guys, you have to go ahead and listen to what Marcy has to say about the situation because, Marcy has her own opinion. She's like, she wouldn't have gone back with him. But she's also saying that Queenie may have been, weak to the flesh. So catch the video, guys, and remember to like, share, comment, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell so when I post, you know about it. And for all my lovelies out there that are celebrating their birthdays today, have a happy, happy birthday. And I wish you nothing but prosperity, love, peace, joy for the year coming, for this year, I should say. And for all my other lovelies out there, have yourselves a beautiful day.
Me tell you no say. I tell you no. Me encourage Queenie. And me say what me tell you no. I tell you no say. Me say listen to me. Me say Queenie and Dewey is going to go back together. What I teach you no woman out there. All of the woman they know where I walk up and down. I go on like say Atta than Queenie. Then I how you feel for the man dash away and go back to a matrimony. Matrimony thing. Laddie. Me say, if nobody no love Dewey, in this hour earlier, Queenie love a man. Then Queenie, come over here, Queenie. Cause you must watch me. Then Queenie, in hard faith, you love a man like that, That man I give you some sweet rass love in there, Queenie. Me not ask, That boy must have a good piece of anaconda in his trousers. Because me know Maga man. Me used to marry to a Maga man and I couldn't believe my packing in trousers front. That boy must say I'll give you something good to us. Make you can't sleep at night and I want him back. Because him not have nothing to give you. In disrespect you from head to toe. Then Queen, you could tell me say you couldn't walk away from the flesh. Then no, sir. In order for Queen, if you take a some good piece of sex in Queen, you get, if you take back the husband, Kind of like say the husband have for nothing for Queen, Remember say a Queen, I help the man. You tell me, So you not go tell me, ladies, you go back to flesh all the time, make your flesh feel, And da 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 da. Thank God me no fucky. Me get obsessed with man so. Once a man I could never take back Dewey. I couldn't, me not tell a lie. Me could never take him back. Once me saying I have no interest in me, I done me done. You know how much boy me fire over the years? From me saying I go out with go me say I come back. Come February woman people of attention. Me say me. No, sir. I could never take him back. Queenie, me no know how you do because the boy this your bad. Me not tell no lie. Me know it will not go back, but I could never do it. Me glad how me stay over the years. Me stay by myself. Sometimes I not date for much years. Me just do me. Me glad me reach a place in my life where I have always been from me a young girl. Where I take care of me, me do what me want to do. If me in a relationship, if me in a relationship, me run things in the sense me do what me want to do. Me I work me own money, me go what me want to do, because when me met him, me come see what me I do. But in a for me whole days, yeah, me come in there take him back. Me there take him back. That is for them the disrespect there. When give her over social media and go live with other woman, you must your ass mad. Then I went have on a fin Charles's foot there. A gold dick. I must goal. I must goal. You know, ladies don't have to learn to resist the flesh, you know. Where Queenie fee say you can't get nobody, you can't get somebody else. Let's see how long that will last for one disrespect you. I told you end up kill with that turn each other in our enemies worse and damage one another. I wonder when it's going to end up got jail for a long time. That a relationship there's a toxic can't go, a toxic can't done. And then no end up got jail. Cause wanna know damage wider. No, sir. That is absolutely crazy. That crazy, me not lie. When me see it, me couldn't believe it. Me couldn't believe it. Me know say to me, you know, but no. Tell you about the truth. Not no surprise me this day. Me not lie. Not that thing no surprise me there. Me just a live. I pay surprises I get nowadays. I don't even think nobody watch regular TV no more. They don't. I pay YouTube and Netflix and something. Everything is on the. Everything is on here. Me need to take him back. I wasn't gonna take him back. We can't be friends. Look, I was that going to take him back. Any more question out there? Any more question? Anybody have nothing to say? Stardine, what you have to say? You don't have nothing to say? You must have something to say. If you want someone to play with, go and find yourself a toy. I see him and I get to him. My love is too expensive. Step aside now. Another man want to take over. And you don't know what you got. I didn't know the song that I sing. No, sir. Queenie is going through an emotional situation. And Queenie need psychological evaluation based on her daughter that passed away. Queenie is going through a guilt mode, knowing that she didn't spend as much time with her daughter when her daughter was diagnosed. So most of the time, Queenie was in Jamaica doing her thing and hanging out with that guy. Her daughter gets sick worse and passed away. Queenie have not get over that fact that her daughter passed away. And so basically she's going through a traumatic distress of dealing with death. So instead of dealing with the daughter death, she used Dewey as a comfort, even though she know that Dewey is not good for her. You understand? So that's the thing. Yes. So she using Dewey as to numb her pain and the guiltiness of her not being there for her daughter at the time when the daughter's sick and she died in Jamaica and spent time with the man. So it's like she's dealing with an abandonment. So she doesn't want to be. So she is in a place right now where she feels abandoned in her life. Like lack of love. Because at the time when she now supposed to give her daughter love and embrace her, she was in Jamaica all the time. While the daughter up here need a mother figure and she wasn't there. Now she's feeling vulnerable. She need the love. And she feel like, say, me have a husband now. He's my husband. Me still have him on paper. Me no want nobody else. And my husband me want. Because now she's feeling committed. So even though she have that by trust type of environment and her voice is like that and gangster and whatever, she's a loving person. So she wants to be the wife figure. But being a wife figure is not to bring those type of toxic relationship on social media. So in order for her to make that marriage work, she have to learn to keep off social media with that marriage. Because she have not gotten over her daughter. You understand? She don't accept it. So she's in a denial mode where she doesn't accept it. And being not accepting, she feel alone. And she just feel like someone need my husband. Instead of just move on and get somebody else who can fill that void. Which is it, nobody really can fill a void when you have a daughter die. And you know that you were supposed to be, you weren't there for her that much emotionally going through a situation. You were spending time with a man. So in her head, she feel like her daughter dead now with her having not been there for her. And now she's in a mental capacity in her mind. I need a man. It's like something is telling her, I need a man to complete. I need my husband. But she's not looking at him and saying, listen, this man is disrespectful. He's not good for me. I'm too young. You can't, breed again for him want a pitney. You know what I say? So she now not think like that. She just think, I'm my husband that me want him back. Me I take him in a care of the world say. She not think about the fact that the man toxic for her. You understand? She ain't thinking that. All she see is that walking down the aisle. All she vision in her mind is that beautiful day in Elsha Beach. When she walk in her pretty gown and dress up and flip on the beach and say, yes, me have a husband. Yes, me have a ring. Because having a husband, it is entitled. You feel say, yes, me have a man. You understand? Me have a husband. But with a relationship like that, not being in control, they're going to end up in jail one of these days. One of them are called damage one other. But one of them is going to end up because based on what is happening between both of them, it come like a obsession relationship. It's an obsession. It's like an obsession. Queenie become obsessed with the young man. Can't let him go. Because she feel like so she's not, she can't find nobody else. She feel like nobody know her better than him. Because what happened is that guy at one point in Queenie's life, that he was a listener. Him treated her well. But remember when fame come among people, them change. Just like who know who. So Queenie is all in on to that love. Because when you met one man at Jamaica first time, or a young boy, then treat you good, Then hold up your hand, them kiss you, them walk pan, then walk a Europe and come back and find one breadfruit cake and give a rose and give a name. Anyway, you go and lift up your slippers. Carry. So she's looking at so the reason why she can't let go because he treated her well at one point. But half time expose her to the world, expose him to the world and him start this sing and a artist and a go around and he knows that other girl look on him because so much girl never look on him. You understand? So once you start get that notoriety in a one way. Some women don't care about that, They don't just want them pussy in them and get a good dick. And they want the man to cut them up on the dresser and joke them hard and them say, yes, me have a man can fuck. That is where Queenie stand. She love them young boy, them maga. Queenie is very freaky. Him freaky so he can jump on Queenie back and ride Queenie. And Queenie will say, yes, in fuck sweet. And him now let it go. So Queenie sit down there, a pat her pussy and say, pat me pussy and call me my name. Pat me pussy and call me my name. So Queenie lie down and think about it. Because him maga, so him very risky. He can jump like any blood clot crayfish. Jump on Queenie back. You know, see, he can't jump on Queenie back like a any money bug. You know, see? So I know Queenie, she love back, take cock out her body and take back shot. Well, him no maga, no, he can slide to the rest and slide to the right. When he hold Queenie pan the body there and something, him hold on Queenie run the body and him can slide to the left and slide to the right and joke. And him say, yes, my husband sweet and nice. Yes, what me I say? So, you get what you don't want, honey, child. Me analyze them, you know. I want to with me. Me very observant. I may read up people like a book. Yes, my child. So Queenie want the sex, ma. The boy, when he ready, jump on Queenie back and he ride Queenie and Queenie say, ee-ah, ee-ah. Give me the Western style. And you know him already. Whose pussy is it? Whose pussy? Mama, whose pussy is it, mama? Give it to me. Mama and Queenie the pan. Baby. Yes, it's your baby. Yeah, baby. Yes, Christopher. Give me that dick. Oh, fuck me, my husband, fuck me. My pussy is this. Ride that pussy, baby. I ride it. Yeah. Mm-hmm. Yes, my dear. I can't hear them in the bedroom. I go along. One piece of freakiness in there. And when Queenie burn the ganja and flip up and flip back way and jump on the ass, cut and ride it. I tell you, poor little boy can't make it up in the man now walk through it. The way Queenie. The way Queenie, I want freaky ass, so man that you know. He must have take ass tonic. So the boy know him I get to. Because Queenie sure know if he keep him ass, man. The things that Queenie is in the bedroom. Make you see Queenie swing from one ass chandelier. Me not ask you. Queenie have one wild monkey in the bedroom. Where you fart to see Queenie. Queenie say, come over your dresser here. Come give it to me. And what you do, boy? Do what you have to do it good. You go on like say I idiot. Fuck me, man. What you think? What you think? What you take this thing for? You maga like a what? What you think? What you take this thing for? What you think you come to England for? Me I give you blood clot green care. You can't fuck this pussy. Fuck the pussy and shut up your mouth and give me one forget. As a Queenie go on, you know. Just like that. Queen is demanding. Just like that. Me can see Queenie attack right now. And him not bex up in face. Yeah, that is it. Queenie demanding. The two of them deserve each other. The two of them are bench and batty. That's why the two of them gone back. The two of them is going to get themselves in trouble one of these days. Obsession. A Barney and Clyde that. You soon see them come up with a new song. Dewey and Queenie can break up. Then love build together and bind together. They're unbreakable. You see where they come up with unbreakable song. Unbreakable. That's what you are. Yes, we they come up with unbreakable. Lord, may I tell you. Boy, may I tell them two, they need a reality show together. They need a reality show together, me not lie. Them beat social. Boy, may I tell you, say, Dewey and beat a marry bad when it comes to family drama on social media. No, sir. It come like a Queenie and Dewey are the new social media people them right along. Why is my nose so stuffy? I'm a sinus. What did I take? What did I take? I don't remember what I take. That is crazy. What did I? You know, so I get me ginger. I'm going to get the ginger juice and see if that work. God go with them. God is definitely going with them. May I tell you, I have none of it. I wish them all a lot. But everybody deserve a little happiness. Where they want to get it for 1 week, 2 weeks. Yeah, most on the floor. You look like me for call 911. Yeah. Let me see if I get some of that ginger, yeah. If matters worse. When boy, before me go in a toxic relationship, I don't want a man. don't want no man, Baba. I just date. Me not make that a rash commitment to the body. Me not make no commitment to that soul. Me? I left them there and take me to Paris and Rome.